Today, the Friends of Lynn and Nahant Beach, along with Lynn Community Association and the Embassy of Global Activists for Peace and the DCR, are down here at Red Rock Park in Lynn doing a beach cleanup along the bushes and the shrubbery area down here. This is our first cleanup of the year. We plan to do another one later on in the year. Because of what happened this past winter, this whole area down here got devastated with missing benches and barrows and the grass torn up. And these organizations have joined together. All organizations are located in the city of Lynn, and we have joined together with the DCR, which is the Department of Conservation and Recreation with the state, to come down here and to clean up this area and to make it more attractive for folks that use Lynn Beach and Nahant Beach during the summer months.
So today I came down because I love the city of Lynn, so I'm here to help and support and keep us clean.
I came down, the summer's almost coming up. It'll be a clean environment for the kids and family members who actually come down here to take walks. I don't know about swimming, but it looks like a perfect day to help clean the city of Lynn.
Today is cleanup day at the beach, and she woke up this morning, she said, let's clean up the beach. Is that true?
Yes.
And the reason why we love cleaning up the beach, because they love the beach, and we got to clean the beach to make it all nice and healthy and beautiful. So we got to keep it up, clean up the beach, make it a beautiful place for everybody.
So we hope that through this effort that others will find out about it. Look us up on our website, lynn-nahantbeach.org, and Lynn Community Association, and hopefully you can come and join our organization.